Hello, this is Simon Carlson from HighCohesion, and today I'm going to show you how to create a FTP key using the HighCohesion Control Panel. And if you're looking at this video, you have most likely watched our first video on how to create a key. In that case, we looked into details of how to create a Shopify key. And just to summarize, a key is what grants HighCohesion access to any source or destination system. So to start off, we need to navigate to Keys in the left side menu, and thereafter to Create Key. From here, we now want to select the system we're looking for in the drop-down list. So in this case, FTP. Especially in the previous video, these are the systems that already exist in the platform. But any invited third-party developer, system integrator, or web development agency can add their own systems to the platform as well. So by selecting the FTP system, I will see that the credentials template below get automatically pre-populated. So this is the data that an FTP system requires in order for HighCohesion to access that system. So in this specific case, I'm using Exavolt as our FTP solution. So from here on, when we refer to the address, we want to have the actual URL. So the key URL, in this case, highco.exavolt.com. So I can take that and I can paste that in under address. The port is already pre-populated. And then we also require the username, which in this case is the email. So this is the username and the password for how to access the FTP. So in this case, it's that, and then okay. Lastly, we will have to also populate a remote path, and the remote path is basically the folder that the system will either pick up or post files to. So in this case, our remote path is Simple Streets Demo /orders. The last section here. So I can take that and I paste that in. We also need to provide the key with the titles. We can call this one FTP key. With that, we can now press create the key. The data is now safely stored within HighCohesion, and this is how easy it is to set up a FTP key using the HighCohesion Control Panel. Next up is how to create a source.